Extremely high-end homes. They got Missy Elliott house back there. I can't show it to you, but what I want to show you is this driveway that was professionally done not so long ago. The guy pulled me over to show me this. Check this out. This is what's going on in Palm Beach County. Trash like that. Unbelievable. Let's see what other ones we can find in this nice community here. If you take a look at these pavers, look at how bad that is over there. Alright, that's number 2 house. Number 3 house is right here. Alright, let's check some more. Now the sealer on these pavers look okay, right? But if you take a closer look, it's really bad. It's very bad. I can't photograph this house, but you can see how bad that one looks. That house is beautiful. Anyway, you get the point. So within this community, there's a lot of really nice homes here. These are, you know, up there $3, $4, $5, $7 million homes, and the service that's being done to them is just atrocious. It's disgusting. So whoever's doing the work in here should be shot. The work is pathetic. It really is. I just proved it to you. You know, the sealer on these driveways, the cleaning on these driveways. Here you go. Here you go right here, look. I can keep going all day long. Every other house in this neighborhood is trashed. So that's why you call a real pro, guys.